Hi there, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to show you how to crochet this quick project which is gonna make all of your mugs even prettier. So grab your yarn and a hook, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe. So to start this project, you will of course need your favorite mug, some yarn. I am using cotton yarn. I will try to find a link to this one. If not, I will put one similar, your 5.0mm hook, and have a measuring tape nearby. So the first thing you need to do is measure where the handle starts and ends. Okay, this is going to be the size of your panel, and then you're going to measure it around the cup. Okay, so you know how long you need to make the panel. So once you have those measurements, you can then begin to crochet. First things first, we're going to do a slip knot. Insert your hook and pull it tight. And for this pattern, you're going to need an even number. So for myself, it's going to be 14 chains. Once you have the amount of chains you want, you're going to add one more. So it's going to be an even number plus one. And you're going to start making single crochets on the second chain from the hook. So insert your hook and begin until you reach the other side. Once you get here, this is how it's looking. Pretty simple so far. Now you're going to chain two. This counts as a half double crochet and turn around. And now you're going to start to crochet one single crochet with one half double crochet together. So you're going to insert your hook in that next stitch right here. Pull up the yarn. Do not do anything. Yarn over. Insert your hook on the next stitch. Pull up your yarn. And now you're going to close it off, so yarn over and go through all those 4 loops on the hook. Simple as that. Chain 1 and you're going to do the same thing. Insert your hook on the next stitch, one single crochet but do not finish it, yarn over, insert your hook on the next. Take your yarn over and close it off through all those 4 loops on the hook. So easy as that. Chain 1. And keep doing that until you reach the other side. Once you're almost finished with this round, you're going to end it with a chain 1 and a half double crochet. And that's it for that round. Now chain 1, and this is where the pattern repeats. You're going to do a row of single crochets. So you're going to start in that first stitch or the last one you made of half double crochet. And do a single crochet and 1 per chain 1 space. Okay, so keep doing this until you reach the other side, of course. Okay, now that I'm almost finished with this round, I have here the chain 2 space, so I'm gonna end with a single crochet there because that counts as a half double crochet, and that's it for that round. So pretty simple. And again, chain 2. And I'm going to show you one more time the row with the single crochet and half double crochet together. So in that second stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, insert again on the next, and finish it off. Chain 1, and again keep doing that same stitch. Okay, so you're going to keep doing this row after row until you have the length that you want for your mug. So I have the length that I wanted. I think it turned out so pretty. So right now I ended with a row of single crochets, and now I'm gonna do some chains to do the handle. Now handles can be different from every other mug, so this exact number I'm about to tell you, it's just trial and error. I did 20 chains and it was too big on my mug, so what I ended up with was 15. So I'm going to do 15 chains. That's what fits my mug or the handle. Once you finish the number of chains that you need, you're just going to go into the other side and do a slip stitch and chain 1, and then you can cut off your yarn and pull it up. So we have one side done. This is how it's going to look. Okay, you're going to put it like that. But now we need the other side, the other handle, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So to do the handle on the other side, you're going to insert your hook on that corner, attach your yarn, and we're going to do a row of single crochets because we want it to look just like the other side. And at the same space, you're going to do a single crochet and continue doing the same thing for every space. Remember, you have to end up with the same amount of chains that you started with. In my case is 14. So yeah, and a little tip, you can hide your tails at the same time by inserting your hook underneath the tails and grabbing your yarn and finishing the single crochet. So you're hiding the tails at the same time. Once you finish that row, you can go ahead and do the amount of chains you did on the other side and slip stitch like I did at the other corner. So I finished it off. Of course, I'm gonna hide these tails with a needle, but let's see how it fits. Okay, so it's looking so perfect. Remember, you don't want this to be too loose, the part on the handle, because then it's gonna slide off. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this project. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick project. I know all of your mugs are gonna look beautiful. If you think you'll enjoy my content, make sure to turn on those notifications and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.